Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Google Meet with Google Calendar. This allows you to schedule meetings and automatically generate a Google Meet link for your event. First, open your web browser and go to Google Calendar. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account. On the Calendar homepage, click the Create button in the top left corner and select Event. Now enter a title for your meeting. You can also choose the meeting date and time. After that, click Add Google Meet Video Conferencing. Google Calendar will automatically create a Google Meet link for the event. You can invite participants by entering their email addresses, add a description, or include other meeting details if needed. Once everything is ready, click the Save button. Your event will now appear in Google Calendar with the Google Meet link attached. When the meeting time arrives, simply open the event and click Join with Google Meet to enter the meeting directly. This is the easiest way to schedule meetings and keep all your Google Meet links organized in Google Calendar. That's how to connect Google Meet with Google Calendar. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Google Meet tutorials in 2026.